Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Linux Tutorials. Today we're going to cover package management. Now, what's a package? Just to start off with. A package is just about anything on your computer that's installed from somewhere else. Be it libraries, programs, most likely it's going to be programs, documentation, even bitmap files can be packages. Are there anything that's been in Linux at least, well, in Ubuntu at least, anything that's been packaged by this program, dpackage. Now, you don't need to learn about dpackage, not yet at least. What you do need to learn about though is aptitude and apt-get. Now, what are those? Well, let's start with aptitude. And aptitude, that is it lets you find your programs. So let's say I want something that can give us a graphical interface. Yeah, let's go with that. We can search for a desktop manager. And it gives us a list of desktop managers. Now here we see right here, Ubuntu desktop system. We can install that if we want. Another option is just the number of things that we can install, as you see. Now in these results are the name of the package, what it is, and a short description of what it is. Now over here, what these are, I means installed, P means package, V means virtual package. A virtual package is just a package of packages, or a redirect. So let's go ahead and install that Ubuntu desktop. Well, we're not going to actually install Ubuntu desktop. We are going to install OpenBox, because it's a little bit lighter. Now, the way we do that is sudo, you need to be root. I'll explain what sudo is later. apt-get or aptitude, both work. Although apt-get is a little bit more proper because it's likely you'll go into a system and not have aptitude, but you will have apt-get. Install, name of the package, so this. Usually it'll ask for a password. It's asking for your password. This capital Y right there means that's the default, so you can actually just press enter and it'll assume yes. If it was capital N, it'll assume no. Now, what's happening here is it's downloading the packages from a repository first. A repository is a server. And this one is in, not sure where this one is. Well, it'll download all of them, and setting it up, it's installing it, and then it'll also configure your menus if you have any, and update alternatives. It'll set your default choice to that. So now if we were to do, notice we don't have start X. So now we have OpenBox installed. That's just a display manager. Now, not really much of a need for it now I think about it. So what we can do is actually sudo apt-get remove instead OpenBox. And it'll ask us if we want to remove all those packages, which I forgot to mention, this is the same as the install screen, so I can explain here. These are the packages that would either be installed or removed, or in this case, they were automatically installed and will be available for removal later. And right here is saying what will be removed. You have a similar setup in the install screen. Now, all this stuff is still installed. Those are all dependencies for OpenBox. But since we don't have it installed, it's not necessary, but it's not going to remove them unless we tell it to. The way we tell it to do that is apt-get auto remove. And that automatically removes the dependencies. And thing is that all those install files are still downloaded. The way you get rid of that is you have to get auto clean, and that automatically cleans the all the downloaded things that you downloaded, which are mostly the install files, really.